On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold so pure, divine. And I lost myself within the fire, breaking free from my desire. A heart of gold forged to inspire. It's starfire. It's starfire.
Oh my god. My mic was muted all this time. Oh my god. Oh no, and the caps issue is still there. Fuck, that's the thing I need to fix. No, wait. Oh, sorry, mate. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I know, I know. Basically, I was about to. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Oh man, this sucks. I was like, I've been speaking for like 20 minutes. Oh my god, suck me. Oh man, and I was like, before the stream, I was like, really? That's weird. Oh fuck, of course, yeah. But wait, you should still hear the music, right? Or there's no music? Ah, it's maybe too low? Oh, that sucks. I'm trying to find. There was a. I remember that I had in my. Uh, I know that I have somewhere some kind of like. Yeah, I think that's here. I'm trying to. Ah, I see. I see. Uh, I'm trying to find. I remember that I have like something that allows me to just show like a progress bar, but I don't seem to see it anymore. It sucks. Because just wanted to add like a progress bar for the 50. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I mean, yeah, yeah. You can definitely try to do it at the same time. We can't like. Oh wait, wait. You can actually join the Discord if you want. If you're up to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me post it. Let me stop this. Okay. I mean, and obviously, I'll happily get any feedback from the Discord because I have like no clue. I mean, I haven't done much research yet on how to set it up properly and everything like that, but still. Okay, so I think this should be good. I think that's the one. I just realized I probably need to. Can I remove this here? Yeah, I think that's good. That's probably a bit better. That way we can see the chat a lot better. Nice. Cool. So yeah, so that's the Discord. Hopefully, I should be able to hear you at some point if you join. Yeah, there you go. How you doing, man? But you probably have to mute the stream. Oh fuck! Wait, you're a bit low. Let me just bump you up. Go ahead, go ahead. Oh man, I'm just gonna take the music down a bit, so I can hear you. I can hear you, but it's there's like it's cracked a bit.
One sec, let me take it out 1 second.
Let me see if I can restart Discord and if it works better.
Sure.
I'll be right back, okay?
Sure.
Let's see. Yeah, anybody else wants to join as well, I mean, feel free, guys. That's the goal, right? If we can do it, I mean, that would be super cool. If we can work on the same machine at the same time, I mean, yeah, I'm all for it. Let's see if it works better. For some reason, there was some sound issues. I mean, I guess like probably if we use Discord. Ah, it's still failing? I'm wondering why this is happening. Let me see.
You can boost my volume though. Just right click and boost my output volume all the way up.
But yours is already boosted all the way up.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. I think it's because. Let me see. If I turn on the. I'm just gonna remove the music and just gonna turn up the volume.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah, now I can hear you fine. That's cool.
Oh, okay, great. Okay.
Nice.
Thanks for the stream.
Yeah, no worries, man. No worries, man. Are you on already? Are you connected to the VPN and everything, or are you setting up?
I am.
Nice.
I'm online. I'm on Kali too. So which box are you doing right now?
I'm doing a POSTMAN. So the 10.10.10.160.
Okay, let me try paying it.
Cool. Yeah, actually, we actually might not be in the same VIP, VIP.
Yeah.
So you might need to set it up.
Yep. Let me switch. 10, 160, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Let me search for it. Post. Okay, got it. It's an easy box, is it?
Yeah, it should be an easy one. I think it's one of the latest easy ones. I have like 4 easy ones left in the list, and then we'll jump into the medium ones.
Great. Okay, I'm booting it up.
Awesome.
So just wondering, so what Nmap script do you use, like the automator?
Auto recon.
Oh, okay.
Check.
So does it do anything for you?
Yeah, it does a lot of stuff for you. Let me just get it for you. I'll just paste it in the chat as well.
Great. Because I usually do manual Nmap commands, and it's like quite hectic.
Because like I used to do it, and to be fair, like I still do it sometimes. It's just like it's so much easier when I'm just using automated stuff that just does a lot of stuff for me. It's just easier. I'm just gonna post it here and in the chat as well.
Oh, it's by Siberius. Okay. I know.
Yeah. Your voice, fuck man. I'm wondering why it's still cracking.
Yeah, it shouldn't be cracking because
I think it's because of the stream. Probably is because of stream. Because I'm probably using like the audios in 2 different places. Let me just check the config. Fine. I know why.
Test. Any better?
Now it's better.
It's better, is it?
Yeah. It was my side. It was my side. It's because I was using I don't know why on Discord my output was on RTX sound instead of like just the normal.
Yeah, I know that. That's so annoying. The
Oh
RTX
yeah.
voice will cancel out my voice for you.
Yes.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Exactly. That was really annoying.
Okay.
Cool. So we should be good to go.
Good to go. Sure. I'm booting up the machine 1 second.
Yeah, sounds good. I'm just gonna see if I already have an output for the full scan or not.
So this scan, that the auto recon is basically like, is it a bash script? I'm guessing it is, right?
I think it is. Yeah, I think it's a bash script. I think it's a bash script basically that runs like a ton of stuff and then basically based on the output just actually I think it might be a Python one now that I think of it. I think it's a Python one now that I think of it. Let me check. Yeah, I think it is because it's multi-threaded. So yeah, it must be. I think it's probably Python. I mean, it could be Bash as well, but it would be more complex to do.
Crazy. So do you put in a subnet or do you put in the actual machine's IP?
The IP.
I see. Okay. Oh yeah, I was just wondering, have you finished all the OSCP lab boxes?
No, I did like to be honest, like it took me a lot of time to go through the content. And when I was done through with the content, I think like I did about like 20 machines. But I didn't have much more time to do more than 20. But yeah. So I didn't go through like, I mean, yeah, especially now that there are a lot more now. Like I've been thinking if I would like take a month extra now, but to be honest, like a lot of people say that out of the HackTheBox machines from TJ Null are actually harder or the same level. So I'm just going with that. Okay.
Nice. I just finished lane. So.
Cool. Yeah, it is a Python script. Yeah, I was looking, but it is a Python script, yeah. Okay. I've saved that as well. Okay, so what I usually do is as soon as I've done the script, I'll just like save as well. Like any version that I see, I'll just save it in the in my exploitation section, just so I have all of the versions of like whatever I'm facing. So if I see anything that like looks interesting, I'll just straight away look for like an exploit or something like that can be used. So because also sometimes like you'll find a service and you'll see like if you get like admin or if you're in a certain state, you can get access to it. I mean, you can exploit it. So it also like kind of tells you like where you have to aim for. And this one, Redis key value store. Okay. Cool.
Do they have a website?
So what I'm doing now, I mean,
Mhm.
is it fine? The idea, because I'm streaming at certain times, I'm just gonna be speaking while I'm doing stuff as well.
Sure,
Sounds
sure,
good.
sure, sure. Yeah, of course. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So yeah, so what I do afterwards is, because we saw the port 10,000 was gonna open as well, I'm just gonna check it at the same time as I'm opening the normal one, because we got 80 and 10,000 open. So always checking Webalizer to see if there's anything interesting there. Nothing much in here. Welcome to CyberSgeek's personal website. Postman at HTB. Okay. I don't think there's much in here. Let's look at the code itself. Not much. Not much. We might have a user though, so that could be useful. The Postman guy that we can see in here. I can already put in here in my exploitation notes just the user. Okay, so there's nothing. Is the link here? Yes, but that doesn't show me anything else. Let's check if it found any other folders here that were interesting. So let's look at TCP 80 GoBuster. Ooh, tons of stuff that were interesting. Tons
Yeah,
of
that's on
interesting
the floor
stuff.
right now. Yeah.
Nice. Did you try the tool yet, or are you using just Nmap for now?
Not yet, not yet. I'm for now. So after the stream, I'll try. I mean, after this box, I'll try to go use the tool.
Sounds cool. That's good.
Yep.
Okay, so let's add the output from GoBuster to the web section.
Yeah. So usually, which TCP scan do you look at out of all the scans?
So what do you mean? Like when I'm looking at the Nmap output, what am I looking
Yep.
for? So usually what I'll do is I'll just open up in my browser the any HTTP server basically running,
Uh-huh.
and then what I'll do is, because the scan already does like a bunch of scripts like Nikto, GoBuster, checks for robots and stuff like that, I'll just check the output of the script to see if there's something that can attack. So basically what I'll do is like I'll just do like a manual one where I'll just check the site to like get, okay, what is that site? And then I'll go back to my script and I'll say, okay, what did the script find? So so in this case we got a bunch of stuff that we found. CSS fonts, images probably not useful, but we got an upload section which could be useful. But because there's nothing to upload stuff on, I wonder if this is just an example. Because what's on the 10,000? Ooh, okay. This web server is running
Yeah.
SSL. Okay, so let's try SSL instead. So HTTPS. Also, because it's running. Oh, okay. Because it's running HTTPS, I probably want to run. I wonder if my scan did detect that it needed HTTPS. Is
Okay,
it
server running though.
okay.
It's the web admin.
Yep. Okay, so let's.
Spider bustering this, I guess.
Yes, as well. By the way, the usual script I run. So GoBuster is nice just to get an idea, but I always run a like dirb, the basic just dirbuster script. Yeah, on like anything that I'm working on, just so.
Do you feel that it's better than GoBuster?
Yeah, I mean it depends. Like the default GoBuster from the script is quite weak, so this one is definitely better. And sometimes and if I really want to go in depth, I'll run the big or the medium directory list from dirburster as well.
Okay. I usually use the directory list 2.3 medium.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's the one. I do it as well, but sometimes it's just long. That's the issue. Sometimes it's just really long, so I don't run it initially.
Nice. Thank God I came in time to start.
That's good. And then 10,000. Cool. So now I have two dirbusters running, looking at the port 80 and port 10,000. Cool. Okay. let's look at what they need to find. So now I'm just going through the full enumeration. Nothing much. Oh wait.
By the way, is that Tmux I see?
Yeah, that's it.
Uh,
And it's an improved version of Tmux. It's like
I
a
can tell.
it's like normal Tmux, but then I'll get you the link as well. There's like
Sure, that'd be great.
because
So I was
there's
looking at your because usually weekdays I can't join because I have school and stuff. So I was looking at your previous stream
Mhm.
from 9 like 2 hours ago.
Yeah.
Then I saw the terminal was pretty cool. So
Yeah. Let me get that as well. And it's super easy because you just like it's super easy to set up, and then you can customize it even more.
I will
Let
take
me
that.
get that.
By the way,
So
I'm starting my OSCP on 7th of March. That's my start date.
nice, cool, man, cool.
So
I'm doing the exam on the 21st, so we'll see how that goes.
damn, all the best.
Yeah. I mean, I've decided like I'll just do it until I pass it now
That's nice.
because it's not that expensive, and I
That's
just
right.
and I'm at the level where I should be able to do it. I just need to do it. That's it.
I see.
Let's see, Teambox. Yeah, there we go. Got it. Hop.
Thanks.
So I've added there, and I've also added in the chat for everybody at once. Okay. So we get webmin, which is wait. So what I'm wondering is what was the output? What was the output from Nmap for 10,000? Miniserve. Oh, webmin HTTPD. Oh, okay, so I see. So it already found it. Cool.
Okay, great.
I mean,
So in your enumeration page, right, what do you usually go through? You have TCP, you have UDP, you have web, FTP, SMB. Is there anything else you look at in specifics?
I mean, I look at everything. Like any, so I'll look at any port that's open, and then I'll just go one by one, and then try to like be as
Okay.
in depth. And so basically, I mean, I guess because now I'm working with you, I guess I get sidetracked. But the way I'll usually do it is see, I'll just like I'll have the first web. So let's see that I'm looking at. I'll go in depth with that until I find like is there anything in there that could be useful, right? In this case, the only thing what seems interesting is like there's a username, and that's it.
Yeah.
So nothing much more there. But then there's still one more that's called upload. So there is like some code that was called upload. So let's look at that.
It's all pictures. Yeah.
But that's just the pictures, right? Yeah, just GIFs. Nothing super interesting there. But it could be cool if we're able maybe later to use it. But yeah, in this case, it doesn't look like it's super useful. What I'll do is I'll just one thing I would do if I were you is like, do you take notes of what you're doing or not?
Yeah, I do.
Ah, nice. Because I mean that's something I wasn't doing until like after. I mean like I was not doing like a lot of the times when I was doing exercises, I wasn't taking that many notes. I was just like going through stuff and just doing it.
I just started recently.
And as soon as I started taking notes, man, it's so much better just because like it helps me so many times. Like just when I go back to like check what I've seen, like to realize, holy fuck, that's it. And
I usually take screenshots and not like I mean I take screenshots of like stuff I do and keep
yeah.
all of that.
So I'm just gonna put web 80 and web 10,000. Cool. And also for the exam, it's just like it's just really good practice.
Yeah, and reporting and stuff.
Yep. So what's your background, man, right now? Like you said you're at school, right?
Yeah, correct. I'm currently doing diploma in cybersecurity and digital forensics. I just finished by the way, so I'm 20. So yeah.
Nice. Cool, man.
And I've been doing cybersec for about 3 years.
Cool.
Yep.
Really
I
cool.
have the CH. I did CH before this.
Okay. And how useful did you find CH?
Okay, the MCQ one was pretty meh, nothing interesting.
Mm-hmm.
But the practical one was not bad. It was a 6-hour hacking test.
Wait,
where you hack.
there's a practical one now?
Yep, you just Google CH master. So
Nice.
it's called
Okay.
CH practical. So once you get that, then you
Okay,
are
that's good.
certified master. Yeah. So
I
the
mean,
practical was way better than.
yeah, I mean the first, like, I hate exams which are just like question based. It's just
Yeah,
it's
exactly.
it's just dumb for me. It's like that's
The one
also
was I couldn't. Go ahead.
no, I was just gonna, it's just like for me it's just like it defeats the purpose of like hacking. I mean, like all of this is so manual. All of this is just like so much stuff that you have to like go painfully through, and like all of these questions. I mean, I guess it's good to like just get knowledge, but it should always have like some part of like a technical aspect.
But the problem I had was I couldn't take the practical unless I took the.
Yeah.
That's
So
why
I feel you
yeah,
feel
so
there.
that's the
Yeah.
limitation.
No, I definitely see what you mean. Okay. Cool. Nothing much there. Jumping into the 10,000 straight away. Let's see. What did I find for 10,000? So nothing with the Go Buster. Nikto looks quite empty as well. I wonder if
Looking for the web servers vulnerabilities, there were a few. Because we have the version though.
yeah. I mean, like definitely something that you could rapidly go through. In this case, is just look at searchploit for the stuff we find. So let's do that actually. I'm seeing something interesting in but I wonder if it's a false positive or not. Emotions to retrieve and file. Yeah, that doesn't look right. Just because it doesn't match. Nikto seems to find stuff, but I'm wondering if it's.
It says there's a config file, I'm guessing.
Yeah, I know where it's failing. Yeah, I think it's because we didn't mention it was like HTTPS. Let me run Nikto against the HTTPS version. So. Oh. On for 10,000. Okay, I'll leave that running. Nothing found there yet. So if we go into exploitation now.
Sorry? Oh, okay.
Did you get the did you check the exploits already?
No, not yet. I saw one,
Mm-hmm.
but I'm still trying to look through it, see what I can read about that. Searchbot has nothing, so I went to manual Google.
Oh wait, but don't you use like search for it? Like
There's nothing. Doesn't show up. You can try. Searchbot mini serve comes up with nothing.
Really?
Yeah, it's literally nothing.
Okay. And yeah. Well, Minisoft, yeah, but did you check webmin? Because that's the one.
Yeah, Webmin I think it had one, but the version was 1.9, but we didn't get the version on the webs. Yeah. Webmin didn't tell us the version.
Yeah, but let me see if we can find it.
Yeah, there's a remote core execution version 1.9.0.
Yeah, there's a lot of unauthenticated stuff that looks really good. Let's see. Can we find the version of this stuff? Sometimes I like to. Sometimes when you look at the raw code,
source, yeah.
you just can find this. But in this case, yeah, it doesn't look like it's there. I mean, there's the site manifest, maybe.
How about robots.txt? Is there such thing? Let's check it out. No, nothing. Okay, okay.
Wait, and map didn't come back with the version? Ah, no, it didn't.
No,
It didn't,
we
no.
only found the web service version. Yeah.
Okay, I wonder if we can run some, let me check.
We can do
Scans.
banner grabbing, maybe.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. Well, I'm gonna check if my if the other scan grabbed anything, because there's a full scan which sometimes grabs a bit more, and there's an nmap scan for HTTPS. So let's see. Okay. So we don't get the version. Nick doesn't find anything. This one is still running. I'm gonna stop it. Okay. $10,000 map. Did it find anything? Wait, so it looks like there is a. It did find a traversal. So it looks like CV 2006-3392 is working.
Oh wow. Which nmap scan is that?
Let me show you. So it's this.
Oh, it's the HTTP scan. Damn, I didn't know there was such thing. Okay.
So
Okay, I should really look into this.
so this, I mean,
account.
yeah, because it'll really do a lot of stuff for you, which is really cool. Actually, I can probably do it better. There you go.
Yeah, thanks. Got it.
Yeah, so we do get the version, right? We do have it.
Yeah.
Oh no, we do have the mini serve. We don't have the webmin though.
Wait, I thought I saw it. If you go down, it said vulnerable, right?
It did say vulnerable, so it does say here vulnerable.
And yeah, and the version was one before 1290.
Oh yeah. So it means it's at
so
least
you can guess,
before
yeah,
that, I
it's
guess.
at least 1 point. So it's probably until before 1290, so 128089 and below.
Yeah, and user min before it calls a simplified path function before decoding each email. This allows arbitrary files to be read without requiring authentication using sequences to bypass the rule of directory traversal sequences. Okay.
2006-3392. Okay.
So okay, let me just copy this and then up just vulnerable part. Boom, that's done. And so what? So you can actually check stuff. You just going like this, I guess then. So if we just do this and then we just add as many.
It threw me to Google. Okay.
Ah, wait. I'm dumb. Because this is already what I'm. Yeah. So it should be just these, I guess. And then some etc password, I guess. Let's see if that works. It doesn't seem to work, but doesn't seem to fail exactly either. It just doesn't do anything.
The URL is there. Yep, all right. Let's try to find a POC. If there's such.
Yeah, I was thinking the same.
Oh, it's /unauthenticated and then /file.
Wait.
I just dropped the link in Discord.
I don't see it yet. Oh yeah, that's the one I was looking at. So it's unauthenticated.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Cool.
Damn, doesn't seem to work.
Doesn't seem to work?
Yeah. Okay, there's a variable called Z. If you look at the script on exploitdb, there's a variable in between authenticated, unauthenticated, and file.
Okay.
And I'm wondering what that variable Z is.
I mean, I guess let's check.
Sure.
I mean, you could use the exploit itself, right? You can just try it out. Did you try the exploit and just see?
No, not yet. I'm trying it now. I mean, it's PHP, right? So.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let me try it.
Okay. Let's download this. I don't know if you know this with search bloat, you can do cool stuff.
-m, is it?
Yeah, exactly. That's the one. So wait, so we get the webmin one. So is it just a directory traversal, right? I'm just looking if there's different ones, but I only see one. It's just this one.
2017, is it? Or is it a 1997?
I'm not sure. Let me just see what happens with this one.
The exploitdb one that we saw was 1997.
Yeah, that's not the same. It's not the same.
It's the same. I checked. Oops. The URL matches. So.
Wait, but that's the URL that you find with
exploitdb.
Really? Okay.
Yep. You can check it. Discord. I dropped both back to back so you can see like.
So this one should work? Nice. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Wait, so we can't. Wait, so what it's weird is like, where is it though? So it's not in there? Multiple remote. Ah, it is here.
Yep.
I guess, yeah. Okay, it's just because they call it arbitrary file disclosure and they don't call it directory traversal. Okay, I see.
Yeah.
Cool.
What is the syntax? Let me just try it. PHP. Oh, okay. Usage is there.
Yeah. At the bottom you have the.
At the bottom. Yep. Post port file. That's weird. Post. Okay.
Cool.
Didn't work for me for some reason.
Okay, let's see if I can make it work.
Yep, sure.
What did you use?
I use EDC password, yeah.
Okay, it could just be because you put shadow and maybe it doesn't have the access to that. So maybe try just password. This was already try.
Or your HTTPS. You must specify HTTPS.
Ah, okay, I see.
10,000.
Okay.
10,000. Yeah. I get a different error though. That's weird.
For mine, it's just empty. That's interesting.
Even putting S?
Wait, but you have to add the. No, you don't have to add the \n at the end, right? No.
No, no.
So that looks all good. Mm,
I'm getting this weird error. Let me just send it to you on Discord.
yeah, okay. Stack trace.
That's weird.
That's weird.
Yeah.
Fatal error, uncut error call, and define function call init. Is your PHP up to date? Maybe you don't have curl up? I mean, no, that should be fine. No, it should be fine. I don't know why it's failing.
I'm on the same version as you. The Kali, yeah.
Yeah, probably. I mean, I don't think I've updated the latest one. Like the 2021.1, I don't think I've updated yet.
Oh, there's 2021 one.
Yeah, it just came out like a couple of days ago.
Oh no, I'm using 2020.4.
Okay, same then. Same.
Yeah.
Okay, this is failing. I mean,
it's not really failing, but it's giving you empty responses.
yeah, just empty, right? Yeah, it's fine. And it's running as well, so that's what's weird. Okay, let's try something else. What else could we try to just get that's... What could we try to get? I mean, there's another option which is just to brute force. I mean, no, that's probably not a good option. Let's. Yeah. So let's see. So we know that's probably it is. It seems like it should be working, but it's not. And it's for versions which are lower than 2.9. In that case, yes, it really seems that that's what we should have. Okay, is there something for that server which is interesting? That would be useful. Because, okay, let's think about it. Like, right now, even if we get access to this, right? What are we gonna get? We're gonna get users. What we want is, like, we need a way to get a reverse shell somehow, right?
Yeah, correct. So what I'm thinking is this is something like your WordPress, and you can do, like, template injection, things like that, or upload file, then access it, or trigger the file through, accessing the whole...
Yes. That, what else?
What I'm guessing is the files for your port 80 are being uploaded via this webmain portal. So you upload your reverse shell PHP into here and go access it on port 80.
Yeah, that would make sense. Yeah, that would be makes definitely.
But
Yeah, because you do. Yeah. That. So I mean, one thing that we haven't tried yet is just post.
Admin, or postman admin.
Yeah, just some really easy stuff. Just checking if not. Let me check the default creds.
We don't have roots password, so...
Fuck.
Yeah, we don't have roots password. Damn.
That sucks.
Another thing is that, okay, so what I'll do, another thing is that if you look at the first drop down, what is webadmin's default password, there's a configuration file they talk about. So if we can get the local file inclusion to work, we can technically read the config file and then log in.
Good point. Good point.
Yeah.
What's the file path for that? Let's see. Okay, so webmin, and then what's the file?
What is the config file?
So it looks like it's etc webmin, and then what's the file
And
name?
the file, yeah, something.conf.
So would it be webmin.conf? That would make sense, I guess. Let's look for webmin.conf. Let's see if we find anything that way. That would be nice. Yeah, so it does looks like it is that.
Oh, it is? Okay.
I think that's it, yeah.
I see. But we need to get the damn LFI to work.
Yes. Fuck. Okay, let's try, if I do the IP directly, I mean, that should be the same. I don't think that's the issue. It's probably, it's very unlikely the issue. Okay, let's see. We got another stuff that's running on. Did you check the one that's running?
Redis server, is it?
Yeah.
Redis server? No, not yet. Redis is used for a database, right? It's like
Yes.
a MySQL database, yeah. Redis has very few stuff. Oh, there's a buffer overflow.
Yeah, I can see that.
The version
But I think it's.
But it.
Okay, can we access this? Does it? I don't think it has a web interface though. Oh yeah. Okay. No, it doesn't look like we have anything for that. Okay. Let's go back and see if our
I'm trying this right now.
Cool.
I'm just trying.
Yeah. Definitely good idea. Because if it's that version, then we definitely have RC on that. That's a good idea. I'm just gonna check the output from the deer boss that I did on the other ones. Ooh, we got robots on 10,000. Maybe
Yeah,
that's.
I checked that, but it's blank.
It's blank. Oh, okay.
Yeah. I thought it was exciting.
Yeah, otherwise there's nothing else. Okay, that's cool.
I think I got the icon file and the text.
Yeah, it's the same robot. Yeah. Yeah, it's just a disallow. Nothing there. Yeah, so it has to be we gotta explore. Like at this point, like 100%, it's gonna be we gotta explore webmin. Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, looks like it. So we have Redis, which is a POC. We have Redis. We have this webmin.
Yes.
We have port 80 server, which is nothing much, and SSH.
Yeah, exactly. Nothing much there. Yeah, there's nothing there either. Yeah, it has to be this. I'm gonna look hack tricks to see if there's anything with that port.
Yep. Sure.
What is it again? 63 6379. Okay, Redis in open source. In-memory data structure store, used as a database, cache and message broker. By default and commonly, Redis uses a plain text-based protocol, but you have to keep in mind that it can also implement SSL/TLS. Okay. There's an nmap script that could be cool.
Oh.
Let me drop that to you as well.
Thanks.
Let's see that comes with anything. Failed for me.
So,
Can I go back? It's just the light is completely blurring my screen. Okay. Why is this failing? Okay.
okay, HackTheBox, what the hell?
Okay, so there's a Redis CLI that you can do as well. Oh, we connect. So we can do multiple stuff. Either connect through Redis CLI or the netcat stuff. Let me send you this if you haven't
Yeah, sure.
it yet. But check this out.
Okay, not yet. I'm still trying to do the RC, but yeah, I'll check it out. Thanks.
I feel like it could be that we have like a that the
Database passwords in the database and then get on. Okay,
yeah.
makes sense. That makes a lot of sense.
It's just like, why is this service running otherwise, right? Like it's
Yeah, true. Why is the database running?
because otherwise, like if you think about the web server itself didn't like it's just a block, doesn't need one. The webmin just is used to administer the block, so it doesn't really need any stuff. So why is this Redis running? So yeah.
Yeah.
Or we're at least trying to check if we can do anything there. So Redis. Okay, so that's installed. Now I can run Redis CLI. The age, that 110, 160. Okay. Okay, help maybe. Okay, so okay, let's continue with the blog because otherwise it's gonna be hard to. You only find valid credentials. Fuck. By default, Redis can be accessed without credentials. However, you can be configured to support only password plus username.
I think you can skip the Redis authentication because you're already inside.
Oh, but we can. It could also we have to check. I mean, it could also be that we need the traversal to actually check the password from that. But
Okay, true.
which is called which would be in etc/redis/redis.conf.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see. Can we run this? Exploits. And then and 60 for 10,000 HTTPS. And then we look for etc redis. Redis.redis.conf /redis.conf. Still empty. That sucks. I'm wondering, like, is there something we're missing with this one? Doesn't look like this. Looks all fine. Wait, there's one thing that when you look at the script, there's one thing that's odd. So it looks like it's adding, okay, so it's creating no, it's fine. It's just creating Z that's 60 basically backward slashes. Okay, cool.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering at first too.
And then another version, and then the file. I mean, we should be able to do it, but like, let's see, manual when we did it, nothing happened, right? I mean, because it's a really simple one to get it, and then it starts straight away with these ones. Okay, and then it ends the forward slash, and then just the file name. That's it. So I wonder if there's too many. I wonder if there's a forward slash too much.
Okay.
No, I think it's too much in the. I wonder if that's what's failing. Yeah, because it already ends with a forward slash. I don't know. Let me try it out. Let me remove the first etc, the first slash, if that works. No, but it doesn't throw an error, which is weird as well.
It just processes it and nothing happens.
Okay, so nothing's there.
Did you have to install Redis CLI?
Yeah, I need to. Yeah, I had to install it. Yeah.
I see.
But then first command you can try is info. So in the CLI, let's go back to this. Oh, okay, so info comes back with stuff. Master reply ID. Key space cluster. So we just get a version, client, memory, persistence, stats.
What's the package for Redis CLI?
Install. You have it in the comments. There you go. Let me just get it for you. It's Redis tools. You had it in one of the comments.
I see. Oh, no wonder. Okay, I missed it. Thanks.
No worries. Okay, so what do we do afterwards though? Dumping the database. Inside Redis, the database number is starting from 0. You can find it if anyone is using the output of command info into the key space chunk. So there's nothing? Wait, so I think it's empty. I think it's actually empty.
When I googled this version of Redis, there's a way to get what is it called? There's a way to get files from here, like your LFI, but via Redis.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Sorry. So I don't know how it works, but. Yeah.
Wait, they're also saying Redis RCE web shell from. You must know the path of the website folder. Okay.
I don't think this is linked to that.
Ooh, wait. So there's a way. Wait. There's a way to get RCE from this.
Yep, I saw online, but I don't know how. So.
There you. If you go in the link that I sent you, and you go down.
I'm there right now.
You should be able to see it.
I see it. Yeah, I see it. Oh, config set, whatever.
Yeah.
But do we know the path though? That's the question.
So let's see. Config. Wait, so if we go get key, let's see what happens. Nothing. But if we do, for example, config get, apparently we can get wrong number of arguments. Yes, star.
I got it. Yeah, damn.
Ooh, okay, so we got a bunch of stuff there.
So it's var/log/redis. I see.
Do you have it?
There, yeah. The first link. If you go to number 11 or 12.
Yeah, got it.
Yes, nice.
So wait, so yeah, but that's just the path for the Redis user. Yes. Wait, did you find the home though? I don't see the home.
I don't see the home, but I can see the Redis file path. So with that, are we able to get a shell? Because, okay, technically, let me see. Is there a PHP in here?
I mean, I guess the only thing we can do is try stuff and see if it works, and then.
Yeah, sure.
For the Apache, because it looks like there's two options we have, right? Like either we set up, so we config set dir, config set db, find Redis PHP, set test, save, and then if the option access section, you can empty the database after background try again.
But there's actually no web directory or web server that you can view this file from.
Yeah, I mean it's a bit complicated because you'd have to run this instead of like you'd have to know what's the name. Actually, I mean, we know it's Postman, I guess, probably the still though.
Yeah, but the thing is, this database is not linked to any website. That's the problem. So we can't actually serve it up on some web server.
Yeah, but look at this. So it wouldn't matter because as long as you set the directory to the web server, you can then set up the DB file. That's when you can actually do some stuff. So as long as we know some path, we should be able to do something.
Technically, we need to know the path of Postman or HTTP.
Yeah, so it would probably be, because it's Apache, this would be conf
var www HTML.
Yeah, exactly. So config set dir. So let's try it. So yeah, var www HTML, and then Postman maybe, or directly there. Okay, let's try just HTML then. I'll try just this. And then I'm just gonna copy of this. Config set. I guess the easy version as well is just getting the like our private key on the Redis user. That's just another option as well.
Oh yes, yes. Our private key already user. Oh, but if you can get our private key onto the what is it called? Onto okay, yeah, Redis makes sense. How
Oh
do we
wait,
get it?
error, that failed. Oh, we maybe doesn't have access to this. Oh, that's probably what's going on.
Because I'm guessing we don't. Maybe the Redis user is not under home/test. It's home/something, I guess.
Mm-hmm. You can, knowing this, you know where you can write the authenticate users file to access.
Oh wait. If you look at the config file, right?
Yes.
Line number 166, you see the home directory, var lib/redis. If you look at it.
Yeah,
Line
but that's
number
yeah,
166.
but is that the home directory though? Because I think that's just the logs, right? Wait, 160. Wait.
166. I'm guessing.
Yeah, var lib redis. Yeah, but that's just
Yeah,
the
it's not logs though.
No, I
The
don't.
installation path. Is it?
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh, okay, okay. So it is saying that that's the actual home directory. Okay.
Yeah, it says there, right? Am I right?
Yes, you're right. So actually,
Yeah, so that's what I
so if we wait, so config set home test ssh, or in this case, if we set the directory, so okay. So if we set the dir to
Oh, okay. I just confirmed it because you can type config get dir and it gives you that. So that's correct, I guess. I'm sending a screenshot in Discord.
I guess because I've changed mine, it already switched, but I see what you mean. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we just add SSH there, I guess. So you add so it's for lib redis /.sh. I wonder if that's gonna work. I wonder if that's gonna work though.
.sh, maybe we can try. Oh, I mean, it's just like it's you trying to cd into the directory, so you just keep trying. I failed twice already. You can just put in anything behind it. It will fail if it's not existent. It fails if it's not
Okay,
a real
so
directory.
that didn't fail. Wait, so it means if I do something like this? Oh, okay, okay.
It,
So
it fails.
nice, nice. I see what you mean. So that works.
So did you get it?
Yeah, that
I didn't
works.
get it. Wait, so the directory is /home, no, /var no var. Is it var?
There you go.
Yeah, var lib redis and then .sh, is it?
This one. Yeah, that works.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, I put. Oh, okay, I get it, I get it. Damn.
But you have to put config set dir, then it works.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoops. Alright.
Okay, and then config set db name to authorized keys. And then we need to provide
DB file name,
our
authorized keys.
yeah.
We have to enter save first, I guess.
Cool.
Save.
That worked as well. And now we just have to set.
Okay. How do we send our file though?
Yeah. How do you send the file now? That's the other question.
He stopped teaching after we...
Write the file to a file. Import the file into Redis. Oh wait, okay. So we have to cat. In my case, it's
Oh,
gonna.
we have to do. Oh, okay, we have to do that first. Whoops. Ah, okay, okay. I understand. Damn. So you have to import it as a variable into Redis CLI first.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, makes sense.
Wait, but so I'm still wondering, like, where did it write though? Set crack it. Where is it writing it though? I'm still confused.
Okay, no. I think he's setting the foo.text as crackit. So whatever's being piped
Yeah,
to the command is...
No, that I see. But then when does it
Uh-huh.
when is it saving it? Like, when is it actually adding the file though?
Okay, maybe -x stands for adding file. Let's check the help page.
Yep. Good point.
Redis-h. What is x? Read last argument from standard input. Set crackit. But I don't see crackit anywhere.
Okay, let's see how I'm gonna do this. Linux, IGRSA. Wait, isn't it there? Did I save my public key? Did I not? Oh, that sucks.
Public.
So let's copy home Cali .ssh. And then idrsa.public. Yes. In here, I guess. In opt Linux. The Linux. There is in the pub into Redis CLI. Page 10, 106.
How do we get config again? Get config. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Get config. Yeah.
And I'm still confused about the other one.
Oh, yeah,
save the
how does
public
it
key
do
to
config?
the authorized key files on Redis server. But how though? Is it because? Okay, so I don't know. I'm gonna try just to follow exactly what he does. Find you can access to the Redis server with private key. Okay.
Let's try it out again.
Still weird. Still weird. I don't like. At least before, like it did something with the set test. But in this case, like I don't know what it's doing. Maybe so crack it. Okay, let's do this. And then redo what I did before. And just save. And then it's okay. Can I actually SSH from this? That would be fun.
That works, that's crazy.
So SSH I home Cali SSH
Postman.
Redis
Postman. Okay.
and then yeah, just Redis at but we don't have Redis password though.
Oh
but
no, if you ask for password, that means it didn't work.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Yeah, that's right.
means,
Yeah, that's
that
right.
means your theory of the -x makes sense. He missed out a part on how to get the file over.
Yeah, I mean like before it did put like the set test and then you give the value. But
do we have to like move the file? Because he says step 3 imports the file into Redis, but where in Redis? He didn't say that. So
okay, probably it is because okay, now if you go back to Redis, we should be able to see the file in there, right? So if I do get crack it, do I get it? Yes. Okay, so it is there. So how does that?
So you type okay. You get SSH key. So get underscore the key name, the file name lah. So that gives you the actual key. Do you get the key? Is it working?
Wait. So that's set as well. So the DB file name is authorized key. And then there is one step missing there. I'm so confused. I'm sure that there is one thing that's missing here. Because even before it's a bit weird, right? Because like you would config the DB name with each, which is just the file name basically, and then you'd set up the what's in there, what's in the file. So in our case, it looks like if after configuring the set DB file name, then if I just set crack it or just get crack it or like how would it be like? It's still
you select the file. Damn. Okay, Redis is a file. Okay. By the way, is your file name crack it or is your file named authorized underscore keys?
So I think in
I named mine authorized underscore keys. Will that make a difference? I don't know. Let's try it out.
Okay, so there's apparently an automation method, so I'm gonna just check that and see if that explains it.
Sure.
Raise.py. The script is created by treating the default port of and yes. So install libraries before running. Okay. Let's look it up. So wait, so config set db filename backup db, config set dir home username ssh, config set db filename authorized keys, and then save.
That doesn't make sense.
Wait, and then it right before that, what it does is echo cat home ssh public key echo.
Oh, that's the same as the
But it
-x, I guess.
and flush all,
Hmm.
and then IP address, and then get the public key into crack list, and then starts doing the other stuff.
What? Okay. I'm just gonna try.
I guess I'm just gonna try this one. Yeah, just
Yeah, same.
but it looks like it's really because of the order. I think it's like really a weird shit where like
Yeah,
it works because
I mean, maybe that's just how Redis works.
yes, like it feels like it's not based on like. Because if we set configure. Let's see, can we do this? Okay, so it has to be what we're doing is
Doesn't
fine.
work for me. Damn.
The script doesn't work?
Not the script, manual. I'm trying to do manually. Oh yeah, it doesn't work.
That's definitely working.
I wonder if there's a way to list files in a particular directory.
Yeah. I don't think so. I don't think so. There must be like something that's super simple that we missed, or that we're not like using properly. I mean, this looks fine, but I feel like it should be working, but it's not. Also because it's really weird the way it's just like you cat it inside, and then you just run it with a set. So this creates the crack list, and then you just create a directory db and then save, and that's it. But how does that work?
Oh wait, I think I have something on something. Let me try that before I get too excited. Okay, I think I figured out what it does. So if you look at it, right, when you change the directory, the home directory, it changes the root directory of Redis totally. If you do a get config get all, you'll see that the root directory is totally different. So I'm
Yes.
guessing when we upload the file after we change the root directory, the file will end up in that directory automatically. That's my thinking.
I agree with you.
And then if we after we re-upload the file, we get out, it should work, but it doesn't. So, yeah, this is confusing.
Maybe. maybe that's already it and it's in there because we set it up correctly. But that
My key is there, but I can't log in for some reason.
yeah, same. So it starts. Okay, so it starts by doing a flush all though. So let's try to do that and let's see. So let's try to do a flush all.
Sure.
To like reset it.
Got it.
Okay, so it worked. Then he connects to it. Wait, no, then what's the next step then? No, the common one is just the IP, and then so what he does is like he doesn't actually go into the CLI really, he just runs commands afterwards. Still, that should not make too much difference. But he runs cat. Okay, so let's run exactly what he's running. Kali .sh. And there I say that pub. Cool. Then we pipe that into Redis. And we set the crack. Okay. That worked. Then we just do the same, but now we just run cmd1, which is this, which is what I had before. And now I can just pipe this cutoff. Wait, it doesn't even pipe it, it just runs the commands afterwards?
Yeah. Wow. This is...
It doesn't pipe anything, right? Command 1 plus... Okay. So... just like this, I guess? Yes. So you can run stuff from outside quite easily as well.
Oh.
So again, but now this time I set up authorized keys instead.
Okay, I'm starting to think the method is not wrong, but our key is wrong. Because if you go into the Redis and
Oh
check
fuck.
our key, right?
Yes. What happens then?
If you go, our key is not is malformed. There's a semicolon and there's a apostrophe at the start. You go and check it out for yourself. When you go in, you can see your
Yes.
key starts with an apostrophe and ends with apostrophe and a new line. I
Yes.
think that's what's causing us to.
You think so? That's the issue?
Not, I really think so. Because our key, I'm guessing it's failing because it's starting with a open inverted comma, but normal SSH keys should start with just an SSH-RSA.
Yeah, but I'm thinking that the that's just the way it outputs values inside of the DB. So the I don't think
But
yeah,
does the new line do that too?
the new line
Because
the new line is a bit odd. I agree, but anyway, I think SSH doesn't look after the key, the first key though. So it will only look at the first part. The Kali at Kali is just like informational.
Okay.
So now I should be able to, let's try again. SSH in. Yeah, SSH IDRSA. Yeah, that looks good. It's just Redis, the user, or it's another user. It is right. It's just
It
Redis.
should be Redis, yeah, Redis. Because we are.
Fuck! It's still asking for the password. That sucks.
Yeah, same. Damn.
Shit.
That's so weird. Redis starts with a single D.
Okay, wait. So there's a way. Wait. So I'm looking at the cron tab, and I'm gonna try to do it as well. There's a way to do something else in there. So let's try to do it. The cron tab option that's right below looks quite cool as well. Let's see if that works.
But it's doing the same thing where you import it in, and then how does it save? I'm so confused. It's
Yeah.
doing the same thing, setting the file, then setting the location,
Yeah.
maybe the file name, and save.
But at least it's a reverse
More
shell.
logical. Yeah.
So let's set up a reverse shell. A listener server 144. Awesome. Let's go back to this. Okay, let's clear this out. Let's copy this line. Let's clean it up. Okay, all of this is fine.
That's my IP.
Okay. So that's our IP, and now we just have to reconnect back to. Yeah, okay. Let's see if that works. So technically, I just need to run this, and okay, so that worked. So now I do this.
That worked on mine too.
Fuck. We don't have access. We don't have access to cron. It looks like, at least I can't. Does it work for you?
Oh no, the thing is, it's not that we don't have access. The file doesn't exist because we don't.
Ah,
have
yeah,
access to
true.
cron. Yeah. So the thing is, that means we know where SSH is. So I'm pretty sure it's the SSH method, but lol. Why does it not work? It's very weird. I'm just gonna try doing the SSH method all over again. Should I reset the box?
Ah, man. Wait, no, you're not working on the same machine as I am, so it should be fine.
No. Yeah.
I was thinking, imagine we're actually just messing each other's like technique all like non-stop all this time, and we have actually haven't thought about.
So imagine we are overriding
Exactly.
keys and then
Exactly. Like you're trying to like do it, but with my key, and then I'm trying with your key, and we keep failing.
Makes sense, but I'm on different servers. Yeah, I'm restarting it now. I feel like we're really close, but
I feel like we are definitely close as well.
I feel like this is the actual method, but it's not working for us. Kind of dumb. This is a good box.
That's weird, man. I can't seem to find. Man, it's so weird. I really don't get it why it's not working, because it feels like.
Okay, how about you try now the steps over again, but I won't mess with your shell or whatever. Yeah.
No, but I mean, like, we definitely are not on this.
Definitely, yeah. But I'm just curious. Okay.
But I just did it again, and it just I just did step by step, like what they asked us before, and it doesn't work. It does look like this is it. We're just probably not doing it correctly.
I'm positive on that too. Damn.
What do we have else that we might have missed? So the Redis stuff. One thing we could try is wait. So if we go back to the original page, I think
Yep.
it's giving us the full path. So if you go back to the just the HTTP normal one, right?
Yep.
No, it's just giving us Postman and HTTP. It's not telling us. I was looking if there was like a full path with like what it would look like, but the application name. What would the
But I'm
application name
guessing.
be?
Okay. I'm guessing it's we get into Redis first, and then to Postman, and then to
Yeah,
to
I mean
HTTP.
technically, if we can add anything we want with Redis, then
Yep.
that's the way to go, right?
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna retry. I just rebooted the machine. I'm gonna retry everything. Right.
One thing that it could be TCG. So I guess like I can try to like set the dir.
Oh,
So,
sure. Yeah,
so
sure.
I can start messing with it because then if we can mess with the uploads, then we can just upload like a reverse shell on there, and I don't know if it's gonna run because it's listable though.
Okay. Yeah, you're right. That's right.
Wait, so what happens when I click on one of these pictures though? Because it's listable, it's not executable. Oh, that's 10,000. This one. Because something, if we upload it here, it's still not gonna work, right? Because if I click on this, maybe, okay. So var www html and then tcg, nope, lowercase, nope. Let's see, upload. Oh, that worked. That worked?
Wait.
Okay, so that is it then. So the app is just HTML and then upload exists. So I can then just config
Do
set.
the same method, but with a bit. Oh, okay, makes sense.
So what if I set, let's see, so db file name, and then just test.php, and then I just do a config set test to whatever the PHP stuff is. I mean, I'm just gonna put like
Sure.
just something that outputs PHP just to see if that runs. I mean even just anything, just test
Yeah.
PHP, and that's it. Yeah, even just normal stuff should work. Oh, unconfigure. So what was it before? To add the value. Isn't it config set?
Yeah.
Set. Oh no, it's just set. No, it's just set.
Oh,
It's just
okay.
set. It's set test. Ah, it's set the key. So it's gonna be test. And then the value. So in this case, it's just gonna be this. Just gonna put this to see if it works. So that works. And now you need to save it. Oh, that failed. Oh fuck! It's not. See, it doesn't look like it's able to save in the.
So we can only save in the Redis users directory. Looks like.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Damn.
Yeah, because even if I set the directory differently, it's just HTML, and then I try to save it, yeah, it still fails.
I just got in.
What?
I literally did the same SSH thing, but I rebooted the machine. Like, okay, wait, I'm just gonna set
No
the
way.
terminal. I'm serious. I'm just gonna set the
No
terminal.
way.
Damn, that was dumb.
Oh my god,
There's
this
no
is just
difference.
dumb. This is so
I did the
annoying. That's so
I did
annoying.
the exact same thing that we did. Damn.
Fuck.
Okay.
I'm resetting this then. Oh, this is so annoying.
Wow, that's weird as hell.
That's so annoying. Oh man, this is so annoying when it happens. And you lose like 40 minutes just because like
40 minutes just because the machine's just dumb. Damn. Okay, wait, let me install.
that's annoying. So did you do it directly inside the
No,
CLI
okay.
or you did the yeah, sure, just send me the output. Yeah,
Compiling
that's
now,
fine.
yeah.
Man, I was so sure we were there. Like we were so close. I was so weird that it wasn't working.
Doesn't make sense. What are we doing?
I'm just gonna flush all. Actually, I don't need to because it's gonna reset.
Yep.
Mm.
Okay, I just sent it in the call. The same steps. There is no difference. This works.
Nice.
I think we messed up the first try, and then when you tried doing it over and over again, it just kept messing up.
Yeah, so it looks good. Okay.
Damn. Okay. The export path was correct, I guess.
I'm just gonna wait and see when the machine is back up. Okay, it's back up. Okay.
It's not has it gone down yet? Because mine took a while to go down.
No, I mean mine. I think mine was
You
quite
can
fast.
you can try going into the Redis again and checking.
Yes. Good point.
If
Okay, it's still
like
failing.
mine,
Yeah, it's
yeah.
still failing. Yeah.
Take
Hey, Orange. Yeah, let me wait. Let's see. We got another one that's gonna join us. I just saw it. Hopefully you haven't been waiting for a while, man. Let me share the
Yeah.
Discord.
Sure. Wait, I thought the link is up. Oh, okay. Maybe.
Yeah, but I think like if you join
You can't see history. You can't see
exactly,
history,
exactly. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna add it into the description at some point, but definitely some cool stuff to share. Yeah. Let's go.
Okay, now I guess we're in.
You just joined at the right time, Orange. And we just got. I mean, Need just got a.
User.
Yeah. Fuck, man. We were just struggling the same stuff for a while, and
Yeah.
apparently just the box was failing.
The box was just and it's so weird that both boxes on two different regions were failing at the same time.
Yeah, I mean, like, if it must be because we messed it up. It probably is because
The first time, yeah.
I think what
we
happens
messed it up the first
because we
time.
were trying to like work it through, and then probably messes up with like the values or whatever it's in there, and then it doesn't work.
True.
I think that's probably what happened. Let's see if I
So,
can see that now.
The first try we did it, we messed it up, and then we tried to fix it, but it didn't work. So
Exactly.
restarting works.
Exactly. At least
Once
we had the good idea that we needed to go through Redis, so that was good.
Yep. That's true.
By the way, I'm just seeing. I've seen this skin for your shell.
Oh, it's ZSH.
Your instance. Can you share the GitHub or whatever like dot
Oh, I didn't.
ZSH?
It's it literally okay. You're in shell now, right? Just type ZSH.
Yes.
Like you're in.
Oh wait,
just type it ZSH. Yeah. Oh, open up a proper bash, I guess. Yeah, open up a normal terminal and
yeah,
type.
that's right.
Just,
Wait, this is just
I guess. No,
yeah.
I think you should open up like a terminal emulator. Press the Windows key and.
Oh, I see what you mean. Wait.
Yeah.
No.
Nope, it's the Tmux. Nope. On the top left, you see the icon. Click on the icon, the terminal icon.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then
If it
click
loads.
that. if it loads. So damn, that's slow.
So
And then type ZSH.
I think it's just because I'm not like
Oh,
it's because you're running as root
older
probably.
version.
I'm running this.
Okay.
I'm wondering if it's just because of that.
You can try open up terminal emulator. Do you have that? Oh yeah, I can try that.
Maybe just root as the. No.
No.
Did you? Are you sure? Because like I'm pretty sure this is like a like it says like a dot as a sh config. That's pretty cool. But I'm trying to remember.
Because the thing is, I installed Kali and it came like that out of the box.
Really?
Before I installed Tmux. Yeah, serious. This is out of the box. I didn't change anything. I'm on 2020.4. So what I do is I open up terminal emulator, not Tmux or whatever. I use terminal emulator.
Okay.
You can try.
Wait, is it like a command line or?
Let me. I just send a screenshot. 1 second. You can see your Discord now. I just type that in over there and then.
Okay.
Click on the Kali icon and then search.
Yeah, terminal emulator. Ooh, I don't have it. I just don't have it. I have Terminator that you don't have.
No, I don't have that. Damn.
That's so weird.
On different versions.
I guess.
How do I check the Kali version? Cat etc release.
That's weird. That's fine. I'll look it. I'll look it for.
Do you have the skin for your Tmux? That link that you wanted to send? Oh yeah, you sent it.
Yeah, I did send it. It's sent it already.
But does it use Bash or ZSH?
I think it's Bash. Yeah, I think it's definitely Bash. Yeah.
Okay, then I think I'm gonna go find the skin for that. That looks cooler than mine though. The one on GitHub. The one on GitHub.
Yeah, but you could combine both, right? Because I mean, one thing is the skin for Tmux, and then it's the skin for the actual Bash. So you could have both in there basically.
Oh yeah, true. Okay, yeah. But if you see the GitHub link, right, their skin is better than the one you're using. If you look at
yes,
the default GIF,
yeah, it looks a bit better. So it's just because I haven't used the default config, I haven't messed with it at all.
I see.
But
okay.
okay, so I don't think I'm still able to
Is the box up or?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I don't think it is.
Yeah, it took a while for me.
Hey, Reese, welcome to the stream, man. By the way, I don't know if you can see the Discord or not, but if you want to join, let me just paste it. It's good, man. We just got user. Yeah, thank you, Ingrid. So basically, we were struggling with a Redis DB, which allows you to like kind of in a weird way input some files into the actual server, and then you can use that to exploit it. And the idea was to drop our public SSH key onto the server and then just SSH in. But when we tried the first time, we couldn't basically. Yeah, exactly. We just couldn't get in. But apparently after resetting the box, it just worked straight away. So that's what we're gonna try now.
Yep.
Okay. Actually, let's save Redis CLI. Nope. -h 160. Okay, so now it's working. Okay, let's try it out now.
I'm gonna try.
I think you're. Wait, let's see. No. I thought for a second that could be the reason why, but no, I don't think so. Let's see. So that should be fine.
Oh wait, it's not opt. Opt is for mine. I think yours should be slightly different.
No. It's because I have it already. It's because I thought I'd put it. I have in OPT Linux.
Okay.
But yeah. So it's fine. So it should be the same. It's one character. Okay. So there we go. It's okay as well. We set up the directory in which one we're gonna set the SSH keys, and then we actually set the DB file name, and we finally just save it. Okay, and then you just run ssh-i
Yeah. Yeah, correct. SSH
carry USA, and then just Redis at. Fuck me, that's crazy.
That's just dumb. Damn. I think we messed it up. I really think we messed it up the first try.
Yeah, it must be
Try
that.
it. Yeah.
Let's go. We get the user, boys. Let's go. Okay, we're getting there. So let's go into exploitation. Let's add all of this.
Oh, okay. I guess it's not user. It's just.
Yeah, I mean, it's just gonna be Redis. We still gotta probably explode the user, which
Yeah,
I suppose it's gonna be. Not sure. I thought it was gonna.
Lin piece right now.
Cool. Did you already? Did you do like your? What, do you do some preliminary checks before you actually run LinPs?
Ooh, I checked the current directory. Couldn't find much.
Okay. So let's add for Redis.
Password. There's a user called Matt from etc password.
Met. Okay.
MATT.
Okay, so let's save this. That's where we got all our info, and then we can give more intel. This is actually gonna be nice. Do you mind? Well, I'm just gonna use this so I can. And
Sorry.
no, I just want to use your output because that way I don't have to
Yeah, sure.
retake notes online. It's just easier.
I did that too. Yeah.
And I'm just gonna change this so it's mine. Okay, cool. The same. Yeah, the rest is the same. Okay, let's go. Let's get into the user. So who we are? We're Redis. We're part of just Redis, nothing else. We should be in our lib. Cool. Let's see. Can we see who's in home? Matt. Can we check his home? Yes.
No.
We can't actually get the user. Okay.
Yeah.
Is there anything else in the home directory? There's a bunch of stuff. And we can actually not really.
I'm thinking, what if we do the same method into .ssh, but I don't think it's writable. So.
Yeah, no, it wasn't writable. Which is the same issue we had. Because let's go into cd var. Oh, actually, you know what? Let's go into the HTTP server, the webmin one.
Oh,
let's see if we can get something there. www. Is it you that dropped the simple HTTP server.py?
Yeah, that's no.
No, right?
No.
Let me just check the.
Which server are you on? Which server are you on? Sorry.
I'm on the VIP 13, I think.
Oh, okay, different. Never mind.
Yeah, or VIP 15. Let me check.
I see.
VIP 13, yeah. EU VIP 13.
Oh, okay, great. I'm different.
Okay, so wait, that's a bit weird. So there's some weird stuff that's just laying there. Okay. Check the var www. So first of all, there's some mat HTTP put server that's there. That I suppose that's just. I wonder why it's readable, but I don't think it's. Oh. No, that's just the normal one, right? Input the port server class. Open.
Webmin one there though.
With some port 8080. Okay. That's just to grab stuff. Okay, I'm not really sure what that is, and what's the cat nicto test? Oh, we don't have access. Oh, this was nicto test. Okay.
Yeah. This wasn't me or anyone, so. Oh yeah, there's a nicto test HTML.
Yeah, that's a bit odd one, but it's just this was a nicto test, and that's it.
Yeah. I think the developers put it in.
Probably just to like throw us off.
Yeah.
I mean, the simple HTTP one.
Oh wait! I found something. Matt has a idrsa.back. If you look at /opt/idrsa.back, it's owned by Matt and it's functions Matt. You can check.
Ooh.
But it's a private key though, so I'm guessing.
Yeah, we just got encrypted.
Yeah,
we just got it decrypted, and then we can.
Yeah.
we can use it.
Oh wait, or we can literally use this. We can save it on our desktops and
Yeah,
use
yeah,
it.
yeah,
Log
exactly.
in as Matt. Yeah.
Exactly.
Let me try that. That was not too bad, I guess.
Nice, nice, nice. Easy peasy one. Nice find.
Okay.
Backed up key.
Let's see if it works not further.
But because it's
Shit.
well, it's an encrypted one. You have to
Encrypted.
yeah. So you have to use let me show you. You gotta use this. So encrypted private. I think there's you have to do like SSH to John. You basically have to extract the hash from the from the key. Yeah, there you go. Let me.
And then crack the hash.
Yes. Oh, come on, did I not save it? Wait. Wait. I'm pretty sure I saved it somewhere. It didn't.
Oh, sure.
Where did I take the notes for this? That's a bit odd. I actually used it recently, so just SSH2. I'm pretty sure I should find this. SSH, no, 1010. That's the one I was looking for. But this should work as well. I think I have notes for there. There we go. That's it. Let me just paste it in the chat as well, so you guys can use it.
Damn. Okay, this makes sense. Okay, I found the key, but I didn't know this. Damn. Thanks.
But you get. I think you gotta download the Python script though.
SSH to John.
So this one you have to download, and you also have to download, and that's it. Yeah, just download that script. Because I don't think it's default in Kali.
Oh, SSH to John, is it?
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, let me check that.
Okay, let's go back in here. Let's go into loot directory. Awesome. Let's vi the private key. So it's gonna be ID RSA. Ah, fuck, I messed it up. Let's go back. Let's grab this again. Boom.
Where do I find? Oh, okay. I see that. SSH to John. One sec.
So I'm just gonna copy from. There we go. And then I can run this. Oh, where did this get away? Cool. Now this is going to extract the key. Perfect. And now that the key is extracted, we can just run Johnny on this, John the Reaper. And we should get the password. And you guys... Yeah, there we go. We got the password. Awesome. That's cool. We can stop this. And we should be able to SSH with that private key. Hopefully, let's first give it the proper permissions. So it's going to be 600. IDRSA, and then we can just SSH with that.
Fast. Sudo or Python 2, not Python 3, is it?
Yeah, Python 3. Python, I don't remember. Which is my default Python, let me check.
Let me check. For some reason I can't get it out. Why is that so?
Python 2, 2.7.
Okay.
And then you can just SSH. IDRSA. And then it's just Matt at
Do you possibly know why I'm getting this error? I'm trying to figure
which
that
one?
out. This.
Syntax error. Wait.
Where did you get John to listen from?
Show me the hash. You have to first. Wait. Show me the file that you've saved. I think you might have saved the wrong thing.
I saved this. Second, yeah. I'm guessing this is
That looks good.
John's.
That looks good.
wait. Okay, wait. I think I know. Never mind.
Okay.
I wget the file from GitHub. I wget the link and my bad.
Ah, see, yeah, definitely.
Yeah, my fault.
8. What? Close port? Wait, what? Oh, wait, I know this one. When was the box released?
Pot knocking. Is it pot? When was it released? 400 days ago. 400 days ago.
So 2020. No, 2019.
Yep. Was it pot knocking? Oh, it might be pot knocking. Let me check it out. CDs like etc. Knock. Oh, there isn't knock. Damn it.
Why is this not working? So I was thinking maybe it's because connection close by.
That's weird.
Oh, maybe we have to like, okay, let's see. I think it could be because you have to wait. No, it did work with the other one. Sometimes like with SSH you have to like provide like a possible exchange key, but then it would tell us. But in this case, just connection closed. Wait, did someone just reset the machine on me? That's
check it out. Try ping it. Can you ping it?
Let's see. I can ping it. And I can probably, let me just see if I can ping the, but I think it's working because it's letting me ping. I mean, it's letting me like connect. It's just like it's closing it as soon as I enter the right password.
That's weird.
I'm thinking because it's 2008, that's the initial password that he created for, and then you have to update it to the right year. But still that didn't work.
Does year matter?
And that's what I don't know. That's what I thought it might be, because otherwise it doesn't make sense why it's failing. Yeah, the server is still running fine. Did you use Matt? Like, we agree that the lowercase or uppercase for SSH doesn't matter, right? Or it does?
Yeah, it doesn't.
It doesn't, right?
It doesn't. Yeah. But just try capital M ATT.
Yeah.
That's weird.
No, connection closed. So it's 2000. I think it says August last time it was done. Oh no, it does put. So I was right. It was looking. It would be 2019 when it was done, but still, why would that not work? Because I'm using the right key. It has the right permissions as well.
Okay. You ran John on
the key, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Do you use John or do you use like a word list?
Yeah, rock you.
Okay.
So there is something with the key that it doesn't like. I don't know what it is, man. This machine has been annoying, because I feel like I feel like I'll have to reset it again for it to work, because there's no. I don't really understand why that would fail otherwise.
Isn't an actual wrong thing again. Done.
Are you in?
Not yet.
Okay.
I'm cracking it right now. Took me a while to, because my first time doing SSH to John.
Yeah. Makes sense. I mean, the point is like that. It's just too good. Like the OPT with the backup. I mean, that just looks like that's the way. It wouldn't make sense that they just put it there and then it doesn't work and then it's encrypted. So that's already like a piece of work that we go through.
Yep. So okay, let me find out SSH. His name is MATT at postman -I.
That's just odd. I'm not sure why it's not working out straight away.
Yep, same thing.
Same thing.
By, yep.
Okay, maybe.
Instant
Okay,
key.
let's
Okay,
look.
wait. What if we put this key inside Redis account and then we, you get it? So you SSH. So when you're in the Redis shell, you SSH.
Okay, I see what you mean. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's try that. Damn,
Yeah.
dumb. What are you doing?
So let's copy OPT.
You don't have to copy it in because it's already there. So, oh yeah.
No, yeah, you need to copy the private key inside your directory. Oh no, I see what you mean. Okay, you mean just
Yeah, you don't have to.
yeah, you can just okay.
Where is it again? It's /opt.
It's idrsa.back. Is it the right permissions or not?
Yeah, it is.
I don't think so. But I don't think it's the right permissions. But still, let's try it out. SSH/I.
Damn that! Oh, that didn't work. Same. Damn. I thought I was smart, but I guess not. Maybe it's think. How else can we get into the user with the SSH key? What if it's just
Yeah, no.
Oh look, if you try this SUmet, you try SUmet, you get this weird error. That means this guy doesn't have a password. That's weird. Do you try?
Wait.
Okay. Then
I tried computer to 2019, 2020, and 2021. Didn't work. Wait, did I miss like
does this mean our password is wrong?
Did I miss like an uppercase or something? I don't think so. Computer.
Okay.
2008.
Okay. If your password is wrong, will it tell us connection closed or will it tell us password is wrong?
But like no, so if you put like a wrong password, it just asks you again for a passphrase. So try it out. Just put anything. You'll see it just asks you for the passphrase.
Okay, let me try that. Oh, it does. That means our password is correct, but that's very weird. Could it be our key? No.
Wait, let's actually put this this error in Google, and let's find out why this is failing. Private key. Because it's weird. Usually, like if it's what I'm thinking, it would usually tell us what it's waiting for. Oh, what the fuck? It looks like in the forum. Okay. Let me just check. In the forum, it looks like a lot of people have the same issue. Like the HackTheBox. It's like the first result.
Oh, the official. Oh yeah, I got it. Lol. Yeah, it is.
Okay, let me just not look at.
17, right?
I'm just gonna look at. Yeah. So connection. No, wait. What's the error again? So connection. I'm just gonna close. I just got in via, but now I can't connect. Was able to get and then get its password, but then when it works, connection closed.
His username is is4cfk. That's the guy we're looking for. He's a Google.
Am I gonna can't connect your SSH credentials? Enter password key. Connection closed. Yeah. Oh my god, I love like everybody's like, stop rebooting the fucking box, please.
Why it shouldn't be stuff.
Hey, thanks for the follow, man. We are getting close to the goal, man. Only 4 to go. I can't possibly actually say the characters, but oh, VKSTK1234. What are we studying? So we're doing a Hack the Box machine. We're studying for OSCP, so one of the pen testing certifications. And we're just now with some of the viewers, and you can join the Discord if you want. We can we're just like going through the machine and trying to work it together. Cheers, mate. And right now the issue we have is we get into the machine through exploiting one of the services. So we get a foothold in there. Hey, welcome to the Discord tab. And then so we get in there, but the issue is we can't seem to make use of the second key that we found. So we found a second key which seems to belong to the user. But and we have the password for that key, but it doesn't work. And it looks like a lot of people have the same issue.
Yep.
What the fuck? There's people that saying I just got root before I got user. Pretty weird.
Oh, lol.
So I'm wondering what's going on there. User got stuck on simple enumeration, just keep it simple after initial scan. Look where you normally also look, yeah. They don't really say. I can see and connect to, you can upload, yeah. Doesn't look like this.
Wait. What if you use this password to log in on the
I guess we
admin,
can, yeah.
yeah.
Oh, that's a, you think so?
Matt, and I'm just gonna try. Nah, it doesn't go in. How about admin?
Yeah, that's what I was trying. No, admin doesn't work either. That was a good effort.
Yeah, shit.
Ah, yeah, it's definitely hard. Are you in Korea right now?
Wait,
Or?
no. I mean.
What?
Capital M. Matt. Yeah, it's Matt. With a
Oh
capital
my
M.
god, really?
Damn. Okay. Yeah, I'm serious.
No,
Wow.
god.
Okay.
So
Damn.
there is the
That
path.
was. Damn. Okay. I almost gave up. We almost gave up.
Wait, so now we get the RC, right? Oh my god, now we get the RC with this. So okay, I see.
Now we can get a proper RC with authentication. So.
Yes.
Ooh.
Now we're studying. In this case, I guess it's like a bit of everything. In this case, it's just pen testing in general. So it's not specifically SQLi or anything like that. It's just we get a box, we get a server with like tons of services. In this case, so let me show you. So in this case, we had, so here we can see the services that were running on that server. So you had like a SSH that was running. You get a web server that's running as well with Apache. You get Redis, a key value store. And then we had a mini server. And basically we go through each one of these services, try to find a way to get onto the server itself. So trying to find ways to exploit the machine. And in this case, we found a way to exploit the Redis key value store to get a first initial foothold. And now we just get into the user because we found where the user had saved his private key. And we decrypted, and we were not able to use that private key to actually get onto the server. Private keys are usually a way you use to get through SSH. So basically, it's a way to connect to the machine via secure shell. But in this case, it didn't work. But we were able to use the password for that private key to get into the one of the services, which is what we're going to try to explain now. And so now what we're going to do is go back to this, search exploit webmin, and look for authenticated remote code execution. I mean, first of all, do you see anything that's super obvious?
On the site, not really. I'm trying to find for the version, but I can't exact version on the site. Can't see. I'm not sure if I'm just missing out.
So let's say
If you click on
theme
system,
configuration.
on the left, if you click on systems, right?
You see
on top.
system? Ah, yeah, system. Yeah, there you go. Software package
you get-
updates.
Yeah, so I'm trying to see the version there, but I'm either blind or yeah.
Or there's dashboard as well in the dashboard. Don't we see it here? Yeah, webmin dashboard version here, 2.9.10.
Oh, where? I'm blind.
Yeah, if you go into top section, and then you go into
dashboard.
yeah, there you go. That's where you have it.
I see.
Awesome. So okay, so now still in exploitation. Webmin. Back to the webmin server, since we are not able to get in with the private key. We used the password to get into the application. Hey, thanks for the follow, man. Young, and I'm gonna stay at that. Hey, holy shit, guys, we're so close. Yuda, ooh. Come on, guys. One. Oh wait, no, two more. We still two more. Yeah, just two more followers, guys, and we are at 50. And I get a. What is it again? What's the status when you get at 50? Is it It's not partner. It's affiliate. Yeah, affiliate. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. I got a link to my profile. Let me just get that for you.
Oh yeah, I should respect you on HackTheBox.
Just respect you on HackTheBox now. I don't care about respect, guys. Though, what is cool though is like I think there's some links to my I think I can just copy the link. Let me see. I don't know. Oh wait, that's just the ID. Let me see if I can get the link actually. Is there a way to just copy this? Maybe use my profile.
Top left.
Just profile, right?
I guess. Yeah.
Suppose that should work. Let me see. There you go. I don't know if that works. Hopefully.
Yeah, it does.
There you go. Yeah, man. Hey, by the way, you guys can join the Discord. I mean, it's if you guys join a bit late, you may not see, but there's a link to the Discord where we actually like anyone that wants to join in, like while we're working on those boxes. Like, you guys are more welcome to. Like, Yura 313 stalking me. Ah, yeah, that's fine. I know you know where I work. Yeah, I mean, a lot of people know where I work. That's fine. I can't hide anything now. Oh wait. Oh, it's fixed. Okay, I see. Yeah, but you probably work there as well. That's probably why. I mean, the problem is like. Yeah, I mean, like, but I'm not gonna reveal it. But it's quite easy to find if you know that I'm working for a. But actually, Yuda, you're wrong. I'm not actually. I'm doing consultancy work for them. That's not actually the company I work for. Unfortunately, man, I have no money to give you, so yeah, you can blackmail me as much as you want. I'm poor as fuck, man. I live in London. I got no money at all. I mean, I got money for crypto, but that's all I have money for. Okay, let's go back to the exercise. So webmin, we know the version, so we know that there is the package update, and then we get they're all Metasploit versions, so I'll have to find a GitHub one. We're doing Postman. We're doing Postman today. The 10.10.10 and 160. So it looks like this is the exploit that we are looking for.
Oh, my but just went down.
Really? Oh, I think there's two. Someone... Yeah, probably some people working on it now. Okay, I'm just gonna put some stuff because I have been lacking some of the notes up, so I can save it. Let's go. Thank you for the follow, man. Equest, I guess. Yeah, one more. Nice. No, it's weird though. I don't know why, but at least on mine it looks like there's only 48. You're mad. Let's copy this in there. So we are actually on your server, like while you're doing this. So why not tell us how to get? So yeah, so what is your actual password? So that's a bit easier. Wait, one thing I didn't do. Wait, because that would be dumb. Did the guy just use? No, probably not, right?
Yeah, probably
No,
not.
no, 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 no. Wait, did he use the same password for his? No, no, okay, it didn't work. Because I thought
Can you
like
check it?
maybe he used like the
Oh, okay.
the same password for like his account, right?
For the
Normally.
non-key, yeah, yeah,
No, no.
it's not working.
Teach you. No, it's fine. No worries, no worries. You're welcome to troll as much as you like, man. Um. Okay, okay, okay. So wait, I wanted to take just notes on the what we found. So before the webmin, yes, I just wanted to find the place where we tried to SSH in, but it failed. Guess I'm just gonna copy this part here. Yes, that should be fine. To show that it didn't work. Doesn't work. Yeah, I know what I was looking for. It's the I was looking for the crack of the password.
The John.
Yeah, there we go. There we go. That's what I wanted for. Just to showcase that we have it here done. Nope. Did you find any exploits online for the
Not yet, not yet, not yet. Still trying. Still checking.
cool.
I'm doing the same thing as you now. I'm checking the
Do you
screenshots
think
here.
certificates like OSCP is necessary to get in jobs? I mean, to be honest, like I don't know if it's necessary, but yeah, I think Reese is definitely on the right path. Like it's always nice to have because like for any job you want to apply to, it's like you have to think of like recruiters have like no idea what you guys like what security is. So the only thing they have is like, hey, the company has asked me someone that has this list of certifications, and that's it. That's pretty much the whole thing they have. So it does help because like sometimes it helps to just go through filters, but at the end of the day, like if you're able to showcase like, hey, I've done all those boxes, I have my own like home lab, I've done like I don't know, I've done like I've hacked like let's say like stuff with my Arduinos, I don't know, like as long as you can show stuff that you've done, it's usually better. Like certifications just help you go through the first layer so you get an interview. That's pretty much it. That's the only thing I would tell you. But but yeah, man. To be fair, like a lot of it is going to be a bit of luck. Like, did you just get lucky and maybe you find people, or certifications will help you just go through and then you have to ace the interviews. But and just I mean certificates are nice, but they're not necessary. No, I mean right now I'm like I'm like I'm just looking to get more certifications just like to amp up my CV, but it's not necessary. So yes, there's plenty of other certifications I want to go after. So OSCP. There's like there's OSC that I want to. There's OSWE. To be fair, like I don't know if I'm gonna jump into another certification straight away afterwards because I've been working on OSCP for the longest time, and it is exhausting. Um, because like unless you're really smart, I would say, or like you have like that inner knowledge of like how to pass this, it's a lot of work. And right now I just want to have fun and just do web challenges. So after this, I'll probably do the Portswigger Web Academy, and I'll just spend like a couple of months on that, just like working through web a lot more, because I want to get more into bug bounty, and I think web is like it's one of my main strengths, but it's not like like I haven't found like that many bugs when trying to work on bug bounty programs. So I feel like I definitely need a boost on that section. But yeah, Reese is definitely right, man. Getting to cyber with experience is yeah exactly. So that's the issue. Is like a lot of the times if you don't have any experience, you'll have to go through like some type of program that doesn't require you any. And then the certificates, what's cool is like you can just end like even if you're at uni, you can do like OSCP and stuff like that. And as soon as you're done with uni, you can maybe get like a better position or a better salary straight away. Also because like during uni, like unless you're like an insane uni, and you party a lot, you have like tons of time to like work on stuff like this. So yeah, I'd still recommend like some certificates. I would not recommend, like, I wouldn't recommend theoric like certifications like all the CompTIA Plus. If you don't have like any knowledge, they're good to like learn, but exactly. Yeah. But to be fair, like I don't have like any certifications right now. I don't have any, and I'm still working as a threat hunter and like cybersecurity engineer. So well, I do have certifications, but I have them in Splunk. So not really cybersecurity. Hey, Piker, thanks a lot for the follow, man. I think we're at 49, right? 49 followers.
Yeah, one more.
Come on, guys. If there's someone else in the chat right now which isn't following, you better follow because we'll get affiliate the next follower. So you better follow. If there's someone in the chat right now which isn't following, come on, man. You're gonna be the saver today. But yeah. By the way, Ipaker, I don't know if you were in the chat or not previously, but there's a link to the Discord. So yeah. True. Sucks are always hiring. There we go. We get I guess we get affiliate. I guess.
Wow.
I guess we are. Wait. Like yes. Just give me a second. Let me just check if this got validated or not. If I need to stream one more day. Let me just check. So how do I see this analysis, content, community? Actually, you guys should be able to. I don't know. Can you guys? How could I tell if I'm? Let's see. Hey Bruno, man. By the way, yeah, I didn't say like thanks a lot for the follow, Bruno Jen. Let me just give me a second. I'm trying to find where we can see if I'm affiliate or not right now. Let's see successes. Path of affiliate. What's missing? Wait, I should be there. Wait. I should be there right now. What's going on? So I have the views, I have the days, I have the number of hours, and I think it's probably going to be updated like in a couple of minutes or something. Super cool, guys. Thanks a lot for the follow, guys. It's really cool. Yeah, let's go. I mean, you guys, let's see if I can just screenshot so you guys can see this. I can't do it now. Anyway, but yeah, like we should be there because I have like everything that's there. So hopefully next time, you probably guys could check if you can now change the quality of the stream. Can someone check that?
Oh.
Probably not yet, right?
Not yet.
Not yet, right?
720p.
I suppose it's still blocked at 720. Okay, hopefully when this gets updated, you guys will be able to switch, because that's gonna be the big thing, right? Next step is gonna be jump to at least 180p, and then I'll see if my machine can hold it. Because sometimes like it's really annoying. Like what? The fact that they block this before affiliate is really annoying. Okay.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
Yeah, man. Like it's like nobody knows, because like most of the time, like unless you're like a big streamer, like any big streamer, like always has like everything, right? But as soon as you go to like smaller streamers, that's when you I might be able to read. Fuck you, Reese. If you actually can't read, like I'm definitely. At the beginning, I used to like make my screens a bit bigger so actually people could read, but it was really annoying because then the output of like scripts would be super like unreadable basically, and it would really mess things up. Okay, so next step, let's go back to the exercise. So for everybody that's joined right now, so I'm doing Road to OCP, so the goal is to get to the OCP certification. On the meantime, I'm doing a lot of boxes during the week, and I'm streaming all of this. And the goal is to do what we're just doing now, right? Have people from the chat join the Discord and work through the box together and just improve as a team, basically. And so right now we're doing Postman. So the box of the day is Postman. So it's on the HackTheBox 10.10.10.160. We are about the middle of the box, probably almost the end, because apparently your route is really simple. But we already got a foothold on the machine through exploiting Redis. And after that, so through exploiting Redis, we were able to feed in our own public key. From there, we were able to SSH into the machine, and from there we found the public key, the private key from one of the users. And unfortunately, after decrypting that private key, we were not able to use it, but we were able to use the password to log into the webmin application. And the next step is the following on, is this here. So you guys, we check the version here, so which is 1.9.10 or 1.910, and we can see that there's this remote like
I actually found this.
Did you find the GitHub one?
Yeah, I did.
Nice. Oh, you actually found it before, right? I think you already shared it with me.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. There we go.
Correct.
So wait, actually, I got it in the wrong place. Let's copy this. And let's look at this. So package update, yeah. So basically the idea is like, because we're doing the OCP training, we don't want to use Metasploit, so we gotta find online ways to do this. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Let's see. Python exploit, IP address, port. Okay, this looks quite easy to do. Let me just make sure this is not running anything on our machine. Okay, so that's just creating the payload, that's fine. The exploit itself, yeah, setting up the reverse shell, yeah, yes, updates, cool. That's in the place where it's gonna add the package. Okay, it looks fine, because it doesn't look, I don't see anything that looks to be messing with our machine. Like, I don't see like any straightforward like
Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah.
RMRF or any of our like I mean, you've seen this, right? Like, I mean, it's one of the known things, which is like, if you don't read the any kind of stuff that you're gonna exploit online, you might end up just getting your machine completely destroyed. Okay.
Actually, that's a very, very smart move. I just read it on root. Oh, yeah, that makes.
Definitely, man. Definitely. Make sure you read the exploits you use. So let's go into exploit. Let's wget the actual file. There we go. Hopefully it has chmod already. No. So let's enable execution. Chmod plus X of the Python code. So exploit puck. Awesome. And we have the usage right here. Boom. One thing that we have to be careful of, it's using Python 3. Awesome. Cool. And then there we go. Let's feed.
Oh, it works.
Yeah, it works. Nice. Let's go.
Yeah, it works. Good find. That was a good find. Wow. Imagine we gave up on the web portal.
No, my god, yeah. To be fair, that was really odd because like we were getting blocked with the SSH, so we would have to go back and try other stuff, and that was definitely the next step. But that was a good find for you to spot. So port is just 10,000. Post. So password, I'm not gonna say it out loud. So if you're working on this, you guys can actually still try to get it. So we have to set up our own listener, right? Or
yep, that's
right. Okay.
Then you can specify the port.
Yeah. I was wondering if I still have the one that I set up before. Now let's set up a new one. Because I didn't see any part of the code that was setting up a listener for us. So.
Yep.
Okay, and then finding the attacker IPs. That's our own IP. There we go, and that should trigger this. And hopefully, I'll give it a couple of seconds, but we should see. What? We're root?
For you?
Oh my god, yeah. Okay, I see why people are saying it's so easy afterwards. We're root, right?
I wonder.
So it's finished. We're done, basically.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. I mean, did you check you didn't check the ID or what?
Not yet. I tried to upgrade the shell and I messed up.
Always test the ID, man. It's just gonna make it easier when you're doing this kind of stuff.
Shit.
Oh, okay, that's why people are just.
So that's what he meant by I got.
Yeah. Exactly.
But the problem now is, look at Discord. I don't know why, but my server just died on me.
What?
So...
I mean, there must be a lot of viewers that are working on the same one. Yeah, thanks, man. Thanks a lot, Packer. Yeah, let's definitely try hard. By the way, guys, for all of you I'm just gonna share this one because if you don't know this by now, come on. No, that's not what I want. If you don't know this song by now, this song gives me tears whenever like I know that I need to try harder. By the way, and no joke, like I've definitely cried a couple of times. Like I don't know why, but this song gets me emotional. What? Oh my god, where's the music? Come on, what's this bullshit? No.
Did they remove it? Then.
Did you guys listen to? Have you listened to the music yet or not?
I think I had it once before.
Oh my god, man.
That was a good box. It was a good challenging box.
Yeah, definitely.
Took us about 2 hours.
Yeah, about 2 hours I think it was. Oh, even more. 2 hours and 20 minutes I think. But my god, yeah. You guys definitely should all listen. I mean like you should or anything, but it's if you want to get into the mindset, man, what else than listening to a beautiful song? Let's check this out. Just let me see. I don't know if you guys can hear this because I don't know if the output. But yeah, man. Nice. You must try harder than you can believe, because that's the offset philosophy. Etc. Fuck, man. This is like, it's so true, man. It's like every time you're struggling, you just go back to this one and just listen to this, and you'll get some boosting motivation.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so Prevest, that's done. We can get the flags now. Let me just.
By the way, I can't get anything for some reason.
What do you mean?
Can you?
Oh, really?
I can't, like, move around. Yeah.
Words.
CD/home.
I mean, I haven't tried yet, but I was supposing that there would not be an issue. What do you mean? Like cats? I'm just gonna not gonna show the I'm not gonna show everything, but yeah, I can definitely cat. Yeah, there's no worries for me.
You can?
Yeah. I think you should be able to as well.
Let me try. Okay, let me try a flag. Okay.
So let me just switch into another view, because I mean, I don't know. I think it's. Do you guys think I should actually show the flags during the streams or not? I think I should not, right? Because it's probably better if if I then upload it like on YouTube and stuff like that. It's probably better if you guys don't see the flags. I don't know.
It does because we have some people going around the internet farming for flags, right? So
if
you actually show it on, they might find your stream's uploaded version and just take the flag. So
yeah, right. I think it's probably better. Yeah. So what I'll do is because I think I unfortunately did the mistake in my previous streams where I think I showed it, but from now on I'm gonna try not to show the flags anymore. Okay, so root flag. It's not an active box. It's been retired, but still, right? I mean, even if it's retired, I think it's like that's what I mean. Obviously, with an active one, I would not even. I think you can't even stream it. You cannot. Yeah. I know there's a lot of walkthroughs, but even if you check the walkthroughs, then you won't see.
It's blurred out.
Yeah, exactly. Like people blur. Like usually, what I do, like for example, like when I do walkthroughs, I'll just blur part of the password so people can't actually read it. So I'll just blur it out. And I think that's what a lot of walkthrough, like try to go into walkthrough and see if the password is there. Most of the time it won't be. Because so yeah. At least that's because I know that when I've been onto like walkthroughs, I don't think I remember seeing flags ever. So
can you try getting Matt's one? I can get root, but I can't get user.
Really? Okay, let me just change the view real quick.
I'm just doing it wrongly.
What?
Can you?
Wait, it's really weird. It looks like I can not change directories. Oh, I think.
Yeah, same.
Oh, wait. Oh, so what happens? You can only run stuff basically. So you can only run stuff from the same.
Ciao.
Hey, thanks for the follow, Lyrial SH Expert. Welcome to stream, man. Yeah, well, you're getting a bit late though, but thanks a lot for the follow, man. We just got actually 50 followers just I think a couple of minutes ago, which I mean we're finally affiliates, which is a huge goal. That means also that finally I think I'll be able to. I don't think you can have subs at affiliate level. I think it's at a partner level only. But at least
That's right.
I think what's going to be cool though is you guys are going to finally be able to decide what quality of stream you want to watch. So I'll be trying to see if I can set it up to 180p, and then if you guys want less, you'll be able to switch it to whatever you guys want. So see, let's home mats. Oh, that doesn't come back with anything.
Yeah, same.
Uh.
I can't get user, but I can get root for some weird reason.
Oh yeah, no wait. Okay, I know where this is. That's fine. It's because you have to use the uppercase for mat, and then yeah, that should be fine then. You should be able to. I'm just gonna base 64 the no. Oh wait, you guys can't see. I was gonna actually do it, and then I was like, you guys can see, and then no, you actually can't see the screen right now. So let's see. The reason is doing well, by the way, guys, if you're just starting getting to the screen right now, and I'm not showing the screens because I'm just going for the flags. Yeah, I definitely have access to the flags.
Oh,
Yeah, if you just do this. Let me just paste it in the Discord. Yeah, there you go. Just you gotta put the full flag directly, because you can't move basically. You can't CD around, so you can only run from your current directory. So that's all you have to do.
okay, let me try that. 1 second. Oh yeah, okay, that works. Damn, that's weird. So so you can't run around and.
No, I mean you'd have to upgrade your shell, right? From here, the next step, basically, if you really want to have like full access to this one, you now just run a netcat from this one to like another shell, and then you'll be good. Basically, because this is a fake shell, basically, I think.
Oh my god. Damn, we're so dumb. see this. I should check this card out. Why did we not try this though? I thought we should have tried this the first time.
What?
Yeah. How do we not try this the first time? That's it.
Wait, but that worked?
Yeah, I did.
Which password? Which password did you use? The
same.
The computer one?
Yeah, yeah, right.
What?
Yeah, try it.
Wait.
Damn,
How is it? How can that work?
the capital M works. So I switch user to Matt.
Oh my god. Wait.
For those wondering, guys, I just dropped
Wait.
the link in the chat. You guys can see what I'm referring to.
What? Wait. Is this possible? Wait. So could this be? Cause.
And then you can cat user. That works. So that's how we should have done it, but we didn't do that. Damn.
That's weird. Wait. So SU mat, and then what?
Does it work?
Wait. So how does? Wait. So still, what's weird is like. So I thought of this already because you remember, like I tried to SSH directly as that user, but that didn't work.
You can't. So we have to elevate our user in the current shell that we had with Redis. So you switch user from. Redis.
I know, but like why? Oh wait, but what the? So is it because? No, because so that password is Matt's password, right? When you.
But we can't SSH. So I think what.
So yeah, so what happens probably is like
SSH disabled.
Exactly for Matt. Yeah, that's probably what's happening. Yeah.
And maybe that's why the key is called backup, because the key doesn't exist anymore.
So I see what you mean. Yeah, but it's so weird. Oh my god, yeah, it is weird. Fuck, should have thought of that.
But okay.
Nice.
Yeah, it's okay. At least we got root first. So.
Yep. Damn. Holy shit. Nice. That was a confusing but nice box, I would say.
Yeah, that's.
It was nice because we basically first tried to exploit like the web server. Then we found there was nothing there. spend a couple of time like on Redis, and then we failed like for 40 minutes.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the
Because,
was the headache.
by the way, guys,
15 minutes.
But you guys, if sometimes like and that's something I have to apply as well. If some things that you know should be working because it's like the last resort, or is like it's what should be working, isn't, and you're not getting like a clear error or like something that's really explicit, just restart your machine. Even during the exam, like that's something I remember I did as well. Like if something fails, just reset your box and try it again. Because sometimes it's as simple as just now. You messed up like you because we played with the service like right before we actually tried the exploit, and that messed it up basically. So
Tried, like, back to back to back.
exactly. So we tried too much stuff, and for some reason that messed up the actual exploit path for that specific service. And so yeah, guys, that definitely a good thing. Well, I think that's gonna be the end of the stream then. I think that's gonna be it's a good time. We did a good box. We get to 51 followers. I'm super grateful for you guys following me and following this. So just so you guys know, this is gonna be on YouTube as well. I'm gonna see how I can do maybe in the future to have the chat in there as well, because I feel it's quite cool to have the interaction of the chat while I'm doing this as well. But I haven't decided where I'm gonna put it on the screen yet, but it's something I'm thinking of. If you guys want to check some of the blogs that I've put out already, I think you can check it in the About section. Otherwise, let me know and I'll definitely add it. Basically, every Wednesday and Sunday I stream between like in the afternoon. So Wednesday between 6 and 9, and Sunday between 3 and 6 p.m. In British summer time. So yeah, guys, and I mean like Nee here is one of the viewers. So if you guys just wanna do one of the boxes with us, you just come into the stream, jump into the Discord, and we just do a box all together. Okay, I think it's time to say goodbye to everyone, and we'll talk soon. Okay.
Yep.
Take care, guys.
Okay, so is the stream off yet? Yeah.
Wait, so I think I think actually people can hear us while I'm doing this. So I'll end the stream and then I'll come back to Discord. Sounds good?
Sure, good. I'll wait.
So yeah, by the way, guys, if you have any questions before I cut the stream or anything like that, just let me know. I'll happily answer anything you have. We had people asking about certifications before. People asking about like how to get into hacking, what we were doing. So yeah, guys, if any of you has any questions before I close this, just let me know. Otherwise, have an awesome Sunday, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay? Take care, guys. Yeah, that's it.